In this video of the Facebook ads course, today we'll learn how we can create a custom audience. So we can easily create a custom audience list completely based on a lead form. Friends, many businesses get a lot of leads every single day, 50 leads, 100 leads, or even more than that. It doesn't matter if you only get 10. What matters is that when you get so many leads, obviously not all of them will convert. But that list is very precious data because those people were interested at some point. Now basically how can we see the leads that are coming means people who are filling our form, that entire audience. And we can create a list of them. A complete custom data set of your target audience will be created. Then when we have that precious data collected in bulk, maybe in thousands or even more, then we can target them, remarket them, show them various ads, and even target a lookalike audience based on their engagement. But first, you really need to properly learn how to create that custom audience, and for this you must thoroughly learn this process. Now let's just learn this step by step and practice it well. So look here, I am on my Facebook page, and from here I will click on Meta Business Suite to go into my Meta Business Suite account. Here I have to go in my ad account, so I'll click on AdWords Manager. There I'll choose my business portfolio account which contains my ad account. So I have multiple business portfolio accounts. So I'll just go ahead and select one account. And then once we will come to our main dashboard. So this is my ad account. Now when I will land on dashboard, then you will see an option of audiences. Okay. Here is my dashboard. Now see on left side, there you'll see 3 lines. Click on that and go there, then you will see the option of audiences. We'll click here. So when we will click on audiences, then we'll get an option, create audience, as we have already shown you in this course, how to create a saved audience. And we have already covered how to create a custom audience from your website and also how you can target people who watch your videos on Facebook. Now we'll teach you lead forms. Now look friends, we will click on create audience, then we'll go to custom audience. And here you have your sources and meta sources. There are 2 sources. So when I will click on lead form, now why we will choose meta sources? Because when Facebook or Instagram ads are run, the person actually fills the form instantly. And we get a lot of leads from that, right? And remember that Meta has all that data, it has all the targeting information for that audience. So we will go into meta sources and choose the lead form. Then click next. Now here it is showing on the screen anyone who opened this form or people who opened but did not submit the form or those who opened and submitted it. Now you can choose between these 2 options here, or you can select anyone. For now I will select anyone. However, you might not want to include those who have already submitted, or maybe you could just choose those who didn't submit. Or maybe you only want the valuable data of those who did submit from the 50 to 100 leads you get daily. It's your choice, okay? But for now I'm choosing anyone, meaning anyone who either opened or submitted the form. So basically I want to target all of them. I've chosen this. Next I'll choose my page. Okay. I have chosen the page because your account may be connected to multiple pages. Ensure you select the correct page from which you are generating leads and running ads. And now the lead form which is here, for example, maybe you have created multiple lead forms. You can select all of them, and if you've only made one, just select that. And let's say there were 5 forms here, then I could have clicked on select all to include all of them, understood? Or you can select one particular form if you want. It's selecting all for me because I only have one form here. So the form is selected. Now if you want audience retention of 90 days or more, then you can increase or decrease number of days. Okay, now we'll give the audience a name. Here we'll write MF. Lead form custom audience 3. Now click on create audience. Now it says the custom audience was created. We won't see lookalike campaigns as we'll do that later, and we'll now click on done. So now the audience has been created. It shows below 1000 because we just made it and there is no actual data yet. So as soon as, let's say, 1000 or more people will open or submit my form, means when data count goes above 1000, so my list will start creating, and when data is over 1000, then we can do remarketing and retargeting, or if we have to use that audience to create a lookalike audience. So all this is possible. I hope you have now clearly understood how you can use these lead forms effectively and target your valuable customers, or how to target the data. Thank you.